Everyone comes to the Dolomites to ski, but I'm going to do the opposite. And if this goes wrong, it could get dangerous. When you think of winter in this famous part of Italy, you think of skiing between majestic peaks. I've done it and it's amazing. But there is another way. I traveled all the way to the Saseda Peak for a reason. To show you a different side of these mountains, especially if you don't ski. Snowshoeing in UNESCO World Heritage. What else do you need? You only have to rent like your snowshoes, get some sticks, walking sticks, because it can be a little bit steep and you need them, and just go out and explore. It's like the best option for a full day. Take some water, sunscreen of course, and go. Almost everyone who comes here just rides a two-part cable car that's like a glass elevator to the heavens. You ski down the perfect slopes and you will love the views. But the most insane views aren't for sale. You have to work for them. So today we're ditching the crowds because the ultimate prize is found on your own 2 feet. And we're going to suffer for it. You can do this on your own, but you can also hire a guide, which is highly recommended if you want to go up, because there's always the chance of avalanche. Sometimes it happens, especially when it's hot like this. You can go on your own in the lower parts, follow the tracks. There are some tracks for snowshoeing. If you want to go up, take a guide. This is the ultimate gear we need to survive this winter wonderland. First, waterproof boots. Second, these insane snowshoes with built-in spikes that act like tire studs for your feet. And third, trekking poles, so you don't fall over. Getting used to these is crazy. You have to walk with your legs a little bit wide. At first, I felt like an idiot, but our goal isn't some boring walk. We are attempting a massive climb to a secret viewpoint, miles away from any person, road or ski lift. So I hired a guide to get the best experience. With every single step you have to slam the snowshoe spikes into the snow to get a grip. This is an insane workout. But then you stop and everything goes completely silent. The only thing you can hear is the crunch of the snow. After what felt like forever, after climbing and climbing, the trees disappeared. And we stepped out onto this. The peaks are like giant daggers stabbing the sky, making you feel like an ant in a giant's rock garden. Standing here, barely able to breathe, you realize this view hits different. You are not just looking at it, you conquered it. So when you're here in the Dolomites, summer or winter, one thing always pops up. Grappa. You should try it because it's really good, but it also tastes nice. This wonderful snowshoe hike proves you don't need skis to have the most epic adventure of your life. You will never get this feeling on a crowded ski slope. So, are the Dolomites the best part of the Alps? For this insane beauty, it's a 100% yes.
Snowshoeing like this is just awesome. You have to be fit a little bit, but if you are, you can do this easily. And you're gonna love it, for sure.
If you thought these views were insane, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what we do next. And you might see another adventure like this.